Hello guys, if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. It's so good to have you here, and if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome, my OGs. It's so good to have you back here again. It's your girl Abby. In case you don't know, my name is Abigail Wanido, and welcome to Delicious Desserts, where I get to express my creativity or my skills in the little way that I can. Not gonna say that I'm a pro, but I'm a pro in my own little space, and I think I have a thing or two to share with you on this channel. This video is just going to be a life update. Since I left my professional career banking to face my baking career full-time. Okay guys, this video is a life update video, and I basically just want to give you guys updates of what has been happening to me since I left banking. As you all know, I left banking some time ago in June. I left officially June 30th. So I started my career as a baker, full-time baker. My career as a baker has been long, way long, but I have been mixing it with 9 to 5 and 8 to 5 job. But as in me being a baker full-time, like this is only what I do. Yes, started in July 1st till now, till whatever date you're watching this. So I just want to give you guys an update of what have been going on in my life, how it has been going, if it's been going smooth, if it has been a roller coaster. You're gonna find out very soon. If you haven't already, please click that button below that says subscribe. Please help this girl out. So, and I know I promised I'm gonna do a giveaway when I get to 5,000. Share my video to your loved ones, and God bless you. How am I finding being a full-time baker? It's actually fun. I have more time, I have rest of mind. I don't want to sound lazy, but I can wake up when I want, compared to when I was doing my 9 to 5 job, where I have to wake up 5 o'clock or to 5, start getting ready, start prepping, start the traffic all the way to the islands. It was not funny. It was telling on me, it was telling on my body, it was telling on my health. So I decided that I have skills, so it's time to put it to good use. Yes, the beginning might not be so easy, because now this is just what I do. I don't have like a guaranteed salary that must come. So it has to be based on orders, based on work that I have done. So this is an opportunity for me to tell you that if you want to bake cakes, if you have an event, your girl is here. She's here to help you. Please don't mind any background noise. It's actually my chiller making the noise. Okay, the AC is not making any noise, so before NEPA shows their self. So it's not been easy. It's been fun, but it's not been easy, because I am my own marketer, I am my own promoter, I'm my own video cinematographer, I'm my own editor, because that burden was removed from me some time ago when I had a new staff that was in charge of filming and editing for me. But that burden was removed a little, but he has gone back to school, so I don't know what to do. If he wants to kill me. So now I'm on my own. I'm the one shooting, I'm the one editing. So I've gone back to the head top kind of videos that I used to do. No two-sided camera position stuff anymore. And I have been able to sit down, really ponder on how I am going to take my business to the next level. It's not been easy being the one bringing the idea alone and trying to put it to fusion, but still I was able to create a new product, because I decided to have my own yogurt company, Greek yogurt company. I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen, my product. Yes, I now have a Greek yogurt company, and it's called Delicious yogurt, delicious yogurt. I produce Greek yogurt of different sizes, and granola and parfait. This is an addition to my cake business because see, people don't do birthday every day. Every day is not your birthday. You do your birthday once a year, and maybe once or twice when you decide to give yourself a treat. You could buy cake slices, you could buy cake trifles, you could buy Swiss rolls, you could buy banana bread or so. But everybody is actually watching their weight. Everybody is trying to live healthy. So I decided to put an healthy part to the business, which is the Greek yogurt, the parfait, and the granola part of it. It has been going on well. Yes, that's one aspect of business everybody should actually try and adopt. Just try and ensure that your business has business continuity, something that would always make it continue going on. It doesn't have to be cast in stone that I make this, and you don't have to do everything because you're just going to break down. So just pick a few things you know you're good in and focus on them, and the sky is your starting point. That's just basically it. Nobody should make you feel like you are not good enough. Trust me, you are only in competition with your own self, not with anybody, regardless of what you know how to do or not. You are only in competition with yourself, and you only get better. You shouldn't be getting worse, you should be getting better. So that's just basically it. So my plans are to expand, especially on my YouTube. I really have to start taking it seriously now that I'm monetized, and I have a video coming up next on how I received my Google pin. Oh my god, that's a story. That's a story that you have to hear. But I plan on expanding my business, and I plan on doing more promotion, because when I thought of it, I have a platform to actually talk to people, to actually tell them what I do, and I am not making use of it no more. So if you love me, if you love what I do, if you love this face, I'm not really the talking person, so I don't really know. I'm not really the talking person. I don't really know how to talk. So I have products for sale that you can always order. They're quite affordable. I have Greek yogurt, and they're in two sizes for now. I have the 500 ml and the 1 liter container. The 500 ml is 1,600 naira, and the 1 liter is 3,000 naira. And we have parfait at 1,500, and we have granola at 1,750 naira for 250 gram, and 500 gram for 3,500 naira. So you can also live a healthy life aside. So, and we also take orders. One thing I would beg and I would wish for you to do for me is share my videos. Go through my channel and find any video that you feel the next person in your life would like to see, and share it. That's the only way you can support me. I don't mind giving everything out, but all I need is your love and your encouragement. And I need you to share my videos. I need you to like my videos and share them, and subscribe to this channel. So this is my life update. These are the things I've been doing since I left banking, and I'm enjoying it. Trust me, it's not easy. I'm not gonna paint it like, oh, it's been rosy, it's been sweet, it's been, no, I wouldn't do that, because business is not easy. You have to make up your mind before you go into business, which was what I had already done. I had made up my mind that I want to go into my baking business, and I don't intend to just go into it like taking big gigantic steps. I'm starting from the baby steps to the gigantic ones. I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in the get rich quick scheme kind of thing. I intend to take it one day at a time, which is what I am doing now. And I would try as much as possible. I'll try as much as possible to do more video where I get to talk to you guys. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, please do that. Go to Belicious Dessert, but Belicious underscore dessert, or Belicious Yogurt, if you want to see more of me. And if you want to know me on a personal ground, you can go to Abigail Ako or my YouTube channel Abigail Ako. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. My next video is about how I got my Google pin, so keep watching. Bye bye. I don't want to sound, I just want to be free in this video, and I don't want to sound like this video is scripted. It is not scripted. I'm finding I can't do sit down talk videos. It's so difficult. I don't know how to talk.